Mubarak, my lovelies. I hope you're having a happy and enjoyment-filled Eid this time around. I'm definitely having one right now when you're watching my video. So, shall we begin doing our Eid look for today? For my brows, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just filling in the sparse areas that I have in my brows, which is quite a lot after giving birth. And I'm just giving it some nice shape with the brow pencil and some concealer. I'm gonna take my sponge and blend out and smooth out the concealer as much as possible because I want my base to be perfecto. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty nude palette. I'm gonna take this shade called Raw. I swear the people around me decide to do construction or make some sort of noise whenever I'm trying to do something with my filming. With this look, I wanted to achieve something that anybody can achieve this look within a few minutes because on Eid, you want to look glamorous, you want to look put together, that you took time to do some looks because most of the time, everybody does not have time on Eid. You have guests coming over or you're helping your mom to cook something or you're helping your siblings because that's how my 100% of the time my Eid is all about. Next, I took this orangey shade from the James Charles palette. You can use any palette you have with similar colors. You don't have to have these palettes at all. I'm just warming up the top of my crease because I want this look to be a little warmer because my outfit is a little, on the cooler side. Now I'm going to take this shimmery champagne color in this palette and I'm gonna apply it similar to how, if you have seen Kim K's, wet look. It's kind of like that, but a little less dramatic. I decided to add some glitter on top of this champagne color to make it more glamorous and more put together with less work. Now using my Maybelline Superstay foundation with the Urban Decay complexion spray. I don't know what is about this spray that I love. I've used it literally everywhere. I'm doing skincare, I'm putting the spray on, I'm doing nothing, I'm just putting the spray on. It's amazing. I need to get a bigger bottle of that. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolutions concealer and I'm going to apply it on the points where the light hits, basically under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I like to go a little lighter with this concealer because I like my under eye to be a little lighter and I go ham with my contour. I'm also gonna bake because it's Eid. You can go an extra mile, right? If you have some time. If you don't have time, just slab on the powder everywhere and you're good to go. Lately, I've been loving going ham with my contour. It just gives me the feel of me being bronzed in summer and I kind of like it. I used to not like that look, but now I'm liking it. And it goes well with the a little lighter under eye and the concealing we did a little while back. I'm gonna use this Ofra highlighter. I forgot what it's called, but it's an Ofra highlighter. You can use any you like. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and the inner corner with this. Now I'm going to apply some Bad Girl mascara from Benefit. I did my wing liner off camera. I apologize. I was debating if I needed to do it or not, but at the end I decided to do it and I forgot to film it. I'm gonna do a detailed video on certain things you want me to do a detailed video on. Do let me know in the comment sections down below. I can do it for you. I can do a ton of different styles. It's just I forgot to film this. Now I'm going to take the same shade Raw and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line so the look looks all put together. For highlight, I'm going to use the Aurora palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to mix a bunch of highlight shades and I'm just going to put it on. Again, I apologize for this construction. I just cannot help it. My neighborhood is apparently the noisiest neighborhood. I never noticed this before, but it is the most noisiest one. Now I'm going to move on to lining my lip. I'm using a brown lip liner to line my lip. I've been loving using this brown lip liner and it's just like a staple in my everyday look. Then I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty lipstick in Trendsetter. I love this lipstick as well. It is amazing. And honestly, I used to not like Huda Beauty's formula, but now I kind of like it. I thought, liquid lipsticks are supposed to be drying, but this liquid lipstick, I just love it now. I don't know, I'm weird. I'm gonna pop on some lashes now, and as you can see, the whole look just bam comes alive. And just pop on a white eyeliner and your look is good to go.